Why were you in the ground? Why? No. Why were you in the ground? I couldn't do shit against you! What the fuck? That was a good run, but... I mean, I wouldn't have lived if they were... Actually, I think I would have lived if they were in the ground. Because at least I could have avoided them. That was... What the fuck? Why? Why? Oh, this game is lovely. Oh, that was great. Well, time to upload this. If y'all missed it, this was streamed live. I know y'all did. I think I have a total of 0 viewers other than me. So, yes, y'all missed it. Don't lie, no one was watching the stream. Let me go check. No one's watching the stream. You cannot tell me you were watching it. No one's watching the stream right now. This was streamed live at twitch.tv. Well, Star Roxton. Star_Roxton. You'll find me. Streamed live. Upload schedule. Who knows? I mean, okay. Let me turn on game capture. Okay. Upload schedule is a estimated. Who knows? I don't have one. Who knows? That was chaotic and fun. I enjoyed it. I can't say I didn't. That was an interesting run. If y'all don't play this game, this artifact, don't complain that I used an artifact. This artifact, as you can clearly read, it takes some work to be useful. So this artifact is, I say, fair game. It takes some work to be useful. So, fun, yes. Chaos, yes. Risk of Rain 2, yes. If you're new around here, you found my video. Thank you for watching it all the way through. I will typically give a spiel if I enjoyed the run. I am not afraid to show runs I die in. We all do. It's normal. I'm not going to be the kind of YouTuber that is like, oh, I am perfect. I don't die ever. I'm not that kind of person. I'm going to give a spiel after it, describing what went wrong. What went wrong there was purely, why did they spawn under the map? At least I was able to bring them down nearly to first phase kill, but there was no way I was going to survive that one. Well, fun. Some DLC items need to be changed, but that one I used, pretty good. Knockback fin, kind of a headache. It's I only use the DLC purely because of those items are decent. I mean, I could enter the DLC area. If I need more items, I'll start, which I might actually start doing. We'll see. That was fun. It was chaos. It was fun. It was chaos. It was Risk of Rain 2. I think I'm gonna shut up and end this, and then move to uploading it. Have all my content will be unedited. You're welcome. I honestly too lazy. Also, I physically can't hear my mic output. Like, I don't have that set up right now. You're lucky I even got audio set up for this game. I don't do that sometimes. It's a mess. Audio. Oh, it looks like application audio capture did not work. That's lovely to hear. It's fine. Game capture captured audio. Looks like OBS figured that out. Dropped frames 2017 2.0. Alright, I'm gonna shut the fuck up, I guess. Fun. Yes. Chaos. Yes. I don't know. I don't upload much. We'll see. It's kind of like I'm talking to y'all like you're my friends, and I have to remember no one's gonna respond. It's come to my streams. It will make it more fun for me. I mean, honestly, I don't stream enough, mainly because well, no one watches. If you come watch, I might give me some feedback in comments. I don't know. I don't care if you like. I don't care if you subscribe. I don't care if you leave a comment. Your view on my video means just as much as that. Kinda. If I see someone subscribe, then yay, happy. If I see someone comment, yay, interaction, I get to react to that one. Thank you. I think that's it. I don't know. Do I upload it now? I guess. I mean, 36-minute video. Gonna be probably 37 when I'm done talking. Eventually, when I'm done talking. Giving YouTube. Here's something that YouTubers don't talk about. To upload a video, you're relying on YouTube's subroutine, like YouTube's website, and upload speed on your end also. But YouTube's website then has to run a check through your video if there's any copyright things. I don't know if I'm allowed to say any of this. I'm gonna say I am, because any old person just could go upload a video and figure this out for themselves. So here it is. It takes a while for things to come through, and I mean, that is, yeah, they have to run their checks. So, yeah. That could take, on a video this long, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. It can take a while. The hope is you will see this video. If you do see it, then congratulations. If you don't see it, YouTube copyright striked Risk of Rain 2 music. Yes, I've had this issue before. It's fun. I have been told in the upload process playing Minecraft that music was played that was copyrighted, and I checked where it was, and it was a base Minecraft song. Yes, it was a CD in Minecraft. I think it was Pigstep. I don't know why Pigstep triggered it, but it did, so I didn't upload that video. You don't see it. When I was making the video for when I was making the video for the promotional thing for the not promotional, but for the whatever it is, the showing what that Minecraft server is, which yes, we're still working on it. We moved servers. Yay! Not the best server right now. It is an HP workstation running off DDR3. So, personal server, we don't have to pay. And yes, you just join my Discord. It's a nice, lovely place. Join my Discord. If you're in my Discord for at least a week and you talk to us and you're not afraid to speak to us, I'm in VCs all the time. My fiance's in VCs all the time. My good friends are in VCs all the time. I mean, I think every single day, at least I'm in a VC at least once in my server. Come join the call. Talk to us. If I get to know you, we may let you in. We need some beta testers for the server to test its limits with someone active on the server constantly on a routinely basis every day or whatever. Like, we need someone that's on the server. God, I keep on talking. I mean, it's nice to talk to y'all. It's like I'm talking to a friend. It's fun. That's why I can't stop talking. I know no one's going to be watching this, but if someone does, thank you. And don't need you to sub. I don't need you to subscribe. I don't need you to leave a comment. I don't need you to even like it. Your viewership shows me enough right now. Alright, I think I'm gonna upload it now. Join the server. Have fun. Please join the server. I'm not gonna make you. But please join the server. Say you came from here. If you join the server, go through access and say in general that you're from here. You saw my video. That's why you joined. That will mean the world to me. That will genuinely bring a smile to my face, and I'll be very thankful for it. Well, I guess, yeah, fine. I'll shut up now. See y'all. Thanks for watching. If the video uploads. Now I have to pray to the YouTube algorithm gods and hope the video is seen. Who knows? Thanks for watching the stream. No one was there. No one watched it. Thanks for not watching the stream. Thanks for watching the video if you see this. Have a lovely day. Stream's down. YouTube exclusive part. I got nothing for you. Have a great day.